Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to my vlog! So for today's video, this is our continuation sa aming pool vlog. Where are we going? We're heading to Mondelos Nature's Park. Wow! So ayan na nga guys, tapos na kami sa beach vlog sa Talahit. Papunta naman tayo ngayon sa Mondelos Park with my family, with my cousins. So in front of us are my pamangkins, cousins, tatay. So dalawang sasakyan kami on the way there. So samahan niyo kami sa aming gala na naman. Maligo tayo at mag-enjoy. It's just a very simple family vlog. So recording this for memory's sake, isi-save to dito. Bahala na kayong manood. Thank you so much. Let's go! Yeah. Yes, we're going
to Mondelos.
Yes. Oo, kaya ito. Apel, oy. Namalik din mo dire. Ano man? Para di na marinor ko yung Mark. So welcome to Mondelos Pool Park. So it's very hot, like really super hot at this time. So I think it's around 11 or no 10 a.m. Kasama ko ang family ko, ang aking main immediate family. At ito pala mga TikTokers ng mga pinsan. Gagawin mo yan. Nakapag-TikTok buti pa sila. And this is the view. So as you can see, it's very nice. Sa mga hindi taga-Biliran, I think it's time for you to visit our island. This is Biliran Island. Hindi lang ito, marami pang magagandang view. But for today's video, samahan niyo kami. Dahil ito ang aming vlog. Yan, maliligo lang kami magtampisaw-tampisaw. Kasama ko ang aking family, pictorials, ligo, swim-swim, ano pa ba, aura-aura, yun lang. And then, uwian na kasi uwi na rin ang mga pinsan ko sa Cebu. So, they just came over to surprise. Then, kasabay ng surprise ng aking mga kapatid. Ay, isang kapatid lang pala at mga pamangkin. Ayan, enjoy naman kami sa araw na to. So, ayan vlog ko lang to para my memories. Kasi minsan lang to. Very rare kasi nasa Manila na kami at nasa Biliran naman sila. Nasa Cebu naman yung iba. So, shout out sa mga family namin na malayo sa amin din nasa abroad, Manila. Sana one day marami na tayo at marami na tayong memories na isave pa. So, shout out sa inyong lahat. Maligo na tayo. Let's go! So I forgot to say this is in Kawayan, Biliran, one of the towns of my province. So you will travel either by car, by motorcycle, by van, kayo nang bahala. So it's part of the highest part of the town siguro kasi ano siya, overlooking view. So as you can see, napakaganda ng view. May mga food sila dito. So bawal lang magdala ng food or pwede naman but may porkage fee sila. So if you don't wanna pay, just order food. Meron silang mga snacks and meals. So yan, nag-order kami ng halo-halo dahil sobrang init. May sconielo din yung order ko pero hindi nakita sa vlog. So, sobrang init talaga yun guys. Hindi mo kakayanin. Pero for the sake of swimming, ayan, nilaban namin yan. Sandali lang kami dyan. Siguro 2 to 3 hours lang or 2 hours lang ata. Then, uwian na. Ayun, let's eat, swim. Let's continue the vlog.
Sa may tagayan eh? Ay, hatag. Tagay si Tuan. Bakit? Aslom lagi niya. Aslom!
So, ayun guys. So short. Uwian na. Pauwi na kami niyan. Before lunch. Because it's time to go home for our cousins back to Cebu. So overall, nag-enjoy naman kami sa aming short bonding. So again guys, if you want to visit, just go to Kawayan Mondelos Park. It's very nice for first timers na gustong mag-chill lang sa Biliran. And this is the view. It's very aesthetics, Instagrammable sa mga gustong mag-picture taking, mag-photoshoot, ayan, and of course, mag-swimming and mag-date. So, kung may date ka, huwag mo nang palampasin, go to Mondelos Park. Lalo na sa gabi. Ayan, sino naka-experience mag-date dyan? Comment down below. Okay, so I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aming short vlog and hope to see you around. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment below, and follow na also to my YouTube channel, Michelle Gorgeous. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, gorgeous day. Bye-bye.
Guys, because I buy